Welcome to NeetGPT, your most reliable companion for smart NEET preparation. Here at NeetGPT, we don't just offer practice tools, we empower you with powerful insights and personal analytics to track and refine your performance. After completing any session inside the Practice Hub, you can head over to the Review Corner. There, you'll find two essential features: My Performance and My Tagged. Let's begin with the first one, My Performance. To access it, go to the Learn space and click on the menu titled My Performance. Here, you'll see a clean list view of all the practice sessions you've attempted within the Practice Hub. Each session comes with its status clearly marked. Next to every session entry, you'll notice a small eye icon. Clicking on this icon opens a detailed view of that particular practice. You can now explore every question, including the full set of options, your selected answer, the correct answer, and a complete explanation for each question. This allows you to evaluate not only your performance, but also your thought process, helping you learn from every mistake and build confidence. Encouraging, every detail is laid out in a structured, easy to understand format, perfect for self review and continuous improvement. Now let's explore the second feature inside the review corner, My Tagged. When you click on My Tagged, you'll see two insightful sub-menus, Recall Zone and My Focus Set. Let's look at the Recall Zone first. Here, you will find a list view of all the questions that you had tagged manually during your Practice Hub sessions. For example, if you had tagged 4 questions in a particular session, all 4 will appear here, along with the date of that practice session. Under the Question Tag section, you'll see tag labels with clickable links. Clicking on any of those links will show you the exact questions you had tagged under that category. This provides a smart, targeted way to revisit and revise the questions that matter most to you. Now let's switch to the second sub-menu, My Focus Set. Once you click on My Focus Set, you'll see a list view of all the custom tags you've created during your learning journey. Each entry includes 3 key details: the tag ID, the tag name, and the total number of questions associated with that tag. What makes this tool powerful is that each tag is clickable. The moment you click on any row, you'll see all the questions linked to that particular tag. This helps you focus on specific topics where you want to improve, making your preparation more organized and goal-driven. With features like these, NeetGPT delivers more than just question banks. We offer personalized, insightful, and trackable learning. You can monitor your growth, revisit weak areas, and build mastery through precision tagging and detailed performance breakdowns. So whether you're just starting your NEET journey or you're in the final phase of revision, NeetGPT is built to support you at every step. Thank you for choosing NeetGPT, where smart practice meets smart analysis.